I'm Janet, and I have another unboxing for you today, and this is from Silver Brush, and they gave me a pack of brushes to try from Creativation this year, and so now I just want to share with you what I got. And I will be using these in different tutorials in the future. But just to kind of go over kind of a broad range of what they have. So first is a stencil mini. It's 3-piece brush set. And they are for stenciling. I don't know, as a crafter, this seems quite large for stenciling to me, but I can imagine if you're stenciling, you know, on a wall or doing furniture, that you might even want something larger than that. So that might be why it's named mini. But those will come in really handy, and I really like the look and the size of the handles have a nice grip to them, and they are also numbered. So if you wanted to replace one, you can definitely let me get up close so you can see here. Not only see the number on the handle, but you can see that it's a stencil, and then it also has a number that you can refer to. Although it looks like these are the same, so you might want to refer to the size of stencil. So that was the first, and then I got a handful of individual brushes. So let's take a look at these. So here is the first one. It looks similar to the stencil, doesn't it? Except for the peak on the end of the brush. And this one is called a scrubber or a cloud smudge, and this is a 1/2 inch. So that's that one. And then I got a silver silk, and this is a round. That refers to the kind of head that is on the brush. So that is a round where it tapers off to a point, and the hairs coming out of it are round. And like I said, this is the Silver Silk 88 series, and you can see there that the brush itself, hopefully you can see through the plastic there, that that brush head is silver. The next one here looks to be a liner to me. They're calling it a script, but this is silver white. So here, look how long and thin. That is great for doing lettering and fine line. You have to have a very steady hand and practice if you're going to be doing some lining. This one is pretty. This is a crystal square wash 1/2 inch. That is a very usable brush for a crafter. So you can see how flexible that head is, how nice. I like the clear handle that doesn't really provide anything in addition to what you're doing. However, it is a unique look to it. And I suppose it will clean off a little bit easier than some of the woods that have paint on them. And then here is our last one. This is called a Golden Natural, and it's a Golden Natural blend, and it's a shader. And you can see it's also a squared off head and rather flexible, but a little bit longer in length for its width. So those are the brushes I got. And then also I got this guide that talks about how to care for your brushes. But I just wanted to show you that this is a list of all the different kinds of brushes they have. They have natural hair brushes, and it tells you what they're made out of. Okay, and then they have natural and synthetic filament blends, so it tells you the names of those and what they're made out of, and also what they work with, which is really nice to know. And then synthetic brushes for all water-based paints, and then here is your list, what they're made out of. All right, so that's a really helpful and useful chart. It also tells you the parts of the brush. I don't know if you've ever looked at this, but you've got the brush head, and that is usually the different shape, and so it tells you what kind of brush it is by what the different shapes are here. And then you've got the ferrule, and then you've got the handle. And I don't think, nope, it doesn't have a chart on what the different heads of the brushes are. However, that is also a very useful chart to have. So maybe I will put one together for you and put that up on my site. But I just wanted to say thank you to Silver Brush for providing these lovely brushes for me to use. And I know that you will see them in future videos. If you have a favorite of these style brushes, let us know which is your favorite and what you use it for and what medium you use it with. Thanks for watching.